You've heard claims that ethical hackers can read your WhatsApp messages remotely. Here is the real story. WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption. Messages are not sitting on a server to skim. Most compromises target you or your device. Let me show the main angles attackers try and how to lock them down. Number 1, social engineering. Classic move, tricking you to share a 6-digit login code, or to approve a call forwarding prompt. If they get that code, they can activate your account on their phone. Fix. Never share codes. Turn on two-step verification inside WhatsApp and add a recovery email. Number 2, link devices and WhatsApp web. If someone scans that QR, they can mirror your chats. Fix. Open linked devices regularly and log out anything you do not recognize. Lock your screen and never leave your phone unattended. Number 3, SIM swap. Attackers convince your carrier to move your number and intercept verification. Fix. Set a carrier account PIN. Ask for a port-out lock. Use WhatsApp two-step verification so a SIM swap alone will not work. Number 4, spyware or stalkerware. Malicious apps can read notifications, they can record screens, or exfiltrate backups. Fix. Update your OS. Remove shady apps, review permissions, and run reputable scans. If you suspect high-end spyware, power down when not in use, and seek professional help. Number 5, cloud backups. Your live chats are encrypted, but backups can be weak if your cloud account security is weak. Fix. Use strong, unique passwords. Enable two-factor on your Apple ID and on your Google account. Consider end-to-end encrypted backups in WhatsApp, or turn backups off if you cannot secure them. Number 6, physical access. With your unlocked phone for a minute, they can link a device or read messages. They can also install monitoring apps. Fix. Use biometric lock and a strong passcode. Enable auto lock and disable lock screen previews. Reality check. There is no magic remote reader that bypasses end-to-end encryption. Real cases come from tricking people, weak accounts, unsecured devices, or careless linked sessions. Close those doors and you shut out most threats. Action steps right now. Enable two-step verification in WhatsApp. Audit linked devices. Secure your Apple ID and Google account with two-factor. Set a carrier PIN and request a port-out lock. Sweep your phone for shady apps. Need lawful, hands-on help? Check the pinned comment and description for vetted, certified professionals. Hit like. Share this with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more clear, practical tech safety tips. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.